settle. And I'm not the type to settle. I'm like, no, I want what I want, period. Yo, what is going on, my Salsa Moto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. Welcome back to the Salsa Moto channel. Your boy PD back on the S1K. Weather's a little sketchy, but it says 0% chance of rain, so we shall see. I don't know how accurate that is, but as far as the exhaust goes, I've already purchased it. It got pushed back over and over. It kept getting pushed back to a later date. Waited to that later date, and then it got pushed back some more. They said they'll probably have it in by Monday. I'll call them in by Monday. Basically, they don't have it available. They don't know when they're gonna have it available. I hate how quiet this bike is, and I'm dying to decat the heck out of this thing and get the real sound out of it. Oh, there's more people riding. Good deal. I'm not the only one. I had a chat with the owner of the company that I'm buying it through. So he gave me a suggestion. I'm not going to name the company. I'm going to let it be a surprise. Did a little bit of research, and it's a great product. It's been around for a very, very long time. I know quite a few people who use this product, so I should be getting that in 2 weeks' time, he says, instead of waiting all the way out till April, because that was the time frame they gave him. However, that wasn't a guarantee. That could get pushed back again, because he basically explained to me that back in November, quite a few people ordered that same exhaust, and unfortunately, it wasn't available for no one. They got pushed back all the way till now, and it's still not available. So there are people that have been waiting longer than I have. So that tells me that I am not even next on that list. That just tells me that I'm going to be waiting a heck of a lot longer, and I'm done. It's already paid for. I want my exhaust. I don't have patience. I really don't, but I've held back as much as I could. I went everywhere on the internet for trying to find this. Google searched it everywhere. It was either sold out or they only had the stainless steel, and I want titanium. Let's face it, titanium just looks so amazing, and it's a little bit lighter. So, and what you want, you already paid for it, you have the money for it. Why would you settle? And I'm not the type to settle. I'm like, no, I want what I want, period. Another news, as far as the showing, no one has shown any kind of interest in it. So looks like the Shoei helmet, nobody has interest in it. I've had a few people very interested in it and lowballing me. They want like $300-400 for it. I'm like, this is like an $800 helmet. I'm not charging extra for the smoked out visor. I'm not charging extra for the GoPro mount that's specific for that. I made a previous video. I'll throw up the link right above, the link to the video, the description also, so you guys can see the helmet and my comparison between the two, so you guys can see what exactly comes with that helmet. Now, it is an amazing helmet, so I am considering, I don't know, maybe keep it. So I'm not entirely sure if I want to do that. But if it doesn't sell, then I'll just end up keeping it, and I don't know, I'll just maybe end up using it, maybe as a backup helmet or something. I don't know. I mean, it is a great helmet. I'm not gonna I don't knock it at all. I do love the helmet, but I honestly don't need two helmets. So who knows? I'll just keep it around just in case, because I wanted to put this one back in the box and just kind of, you know, keep it, because it is kind of a throwback now. It was out in 2017. This helmet was like $1,700 when it came out. At least that's the price I see in the box. So I don't see any cops. I'm gonna go ahead and lane split, because I really don't feel like waiting. I know people hate when I do this, but whatever. I can give two shits. Whoa. Oh man, everybody's coming this way. Go, my friend, you got it. All these trucks, why are they going this way? What is this? You're gonna go, my man, go. You got it, you're already in. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys tonight. Later.